Hi guys, well back to our channel. This is Game My Alliance. Today we're going to introduce you a new GameFi project called DeFi Kingdoms. On January 5th, DeFi Kingdoms has reached 1.2 billion in total value locked. According to DF Radar, the 30-day volume of DFK has surpassed Axie Infinity and ranked first on the GameFi list. DFK is a project on Harmony chain, thus it requires Harmony token 1 as gas fee in the game. According to the official website, it is a game, a DEX, a liquidity pool opportunity, a market of rare utility-driven NFTs. While playing the game and getting familiar with it, you will find that its core focus is DeFi rather than P2E and playability compared with other blockchain games on the market. At present, the players can participate in DeFi liquidity mining, staking, and NFT mining. We will introduce ways to participate in details later. First, let's take a look at some important numbers of DFK. The token price has a major increase in the past 30 days. DeFi Kingdoms has a complicated economic model, and Jewel is the main token. On the screen, you will see the token price trend and the data on the users, volume, and transaction numbers since the game was launched. Now we'll get into project highlights and risk aspects. As mentioned above, both user data and token prices have performed really well. Let's see how DFK does it. First, Crypto Native's token insurance mechanism. It is clear that the team pays more attention to long-term benefits. So the team only pre-mined 2% of the token Jewel, and the pre-mined 5 million tokens were in the multi-signature wallet and publicized. The remaining 98% of the tokens are all minted by liquidity mining. Thus, it is less likely to have large sales later. In this way, the special designed lock mechanism has created a long-lasting attracting APR, which has caught around $750 million in funds in the liquidity pool. Second, excellent community culture and operations have attracted a large number of loyal fans. The team planned the snapshot voting mechanism at the beginning of the project launch. Its official Discord channel is very active, and the team holds weekly AMA on Discord. This has attracted many community members to spontaneously design third-party websites, such as game guidelines, data strategies, and data integration. These tools have effectively lowered the entry barriers for beginners and increased community activity. Here is the official bounty, which will reward the community for providing useful tools to the game. There are also some other tools which will be shared on the screen and in the comments. Third, the project is built on the Harmony chain with extremely low transaction fees and fast transaction speed. Fourth, novel cross-chain solution is implemented in the game. Now the team has launched a new version of the game on Avalanche chain, which will issue a new token, Crystal. It can be seen as a dilution of the original token, Jewel. As mentioned in the AMA and its roadmap, the total amount of Crystal is only 1/4 of Jewel, with a total of 125 million. And staking Jewel will be able to mint Crystal, which is also a great way to empower token Jewel. From January 3rd to 21st, staking Jewel and holding NFT summoning and liquidity can get Crystal rewards. Fifth, low cost and modularized game development path. The game integrates pixel style, which can save a lot of production costs. In addition, the development of the entire game is modularized and delivered step by step. This way, it not only reduces the difficulty of the game development, but also reduces the system complexity and operational risks. Currently, we can see that the team is capable to deliver products nicely and punctually. Next, we'll mention some risk points. First, most of the tokens are minted through liquidity mining, so only a few are left for play to earn, and the tokens cannot be mined or sold, and it is not suitable for play to earn model. Second, publicly, there is limited information on the team background, and most of the team has no previous experience in developing large-scale games. Third, the ecological foundation of Harmony chain is relatively undeveloped, and token 1 are slightly more complicated than native tokens of other chains, making it more difficult to attract large funds to invest. For now, the economic model in DFK is relatively simple. It consists of mainly liquidity mining and NFT mining. Players can summon heroes to complete missions or purchase and sell heroes on the NFT market. The battle systems such as PvE and PvP will be launched soon in the future. Overall, there are 5 ways to participate. First, liquidity mining. It has higher risk, but also higher expected returns. It is about 400 to 500% APR. It can be found in the garden sector in the game. There is no lockup period for the principal in the liquidity pool, and it can be withdrawn at any time. Currently, approximately 36% of the profits can be directly unlocked. Liquidity mining is suitable for beginners, and it has a relatively large incentive for early birds. Second, deposit Jewel into the bank. It has lower risk, also lower APR, about 20 to 30%. The bank is a place to stake Jewel tokens for rewards, which come from fee sharing. Third, gold mining and fishing. It has lower risk, also lower returns, because the value of gold is uncertain. It can be found in the profession sectors in the game. The value of gold is uncertain for now, and the tested results of NFT mining profits is relatively low. Fourth, summoning. This part, it has lower risk and a lower return. It can be found in the portal sector in the game. This is suitable for players with large capital, since the Genesis heroes can be summoned infinitely, and the profits of heroes completing missions are actually very low, so the floor price of NFT has been falling. Last way to participate is purchasing or selling heroes. It has lower risk and lower returns. It can be found in the tavern sector in the game. The tavern is the place to visit if the players want to purchase or sell heroes. You can rent a hero for summoning, or send a hero to a friend, or view the hero catalog. Holding NFT can increase the game experience level when completing the mission. To summarize, DeFi Kingdoms has such a large transaction volume and high popularity due to its special lockup mechanism and active community atmosphere. If you just started to play game, the current gameplay is relatively weak, and there is very little incentive for play to earn. At present, the more suitable method is participating in DeFi mining, and then decide whether to invest in NFT. New players should consider the liquidity pool staking of other tokens in the game. One thing needed to be noticed is that, although you can claim tokens at any time, only around 36% of the profit can be unlocked directly for now. Therefore, if you choose to claim the tokens before July, the remaining part of tokens will be linearly released after July. Thus, we expect that there might be some selling pressure in May to July this year. Thanks for watching today's video. For more information, please follow us on social media.